are you all doing?
Hi.
I'm just looking for a reduction in child support today. I don't want to stop paying. I love my kids. I really do. I want them to, be able to do everything that they want to do. I can't pay for all of it on my own. I need him to pick up more of the slack, which I know he's already taking care of them, but as a flight attendant, I can't be home all the time. I do what I can, but right now I can't do a lot.
So, I've had an opportunity to review the pleadings that you filed in court, and you all were court ordered to come to mediation. So, just so you know, I'm a neutral party as the mediator. My goal is to have you all walk out of here today with some sort of an agreement. You may not get everything that you're necessarily asking for, but the goal is to keep you from being tied up in litigation in court and everything like that. So as much as you guys can iron out today in regards to the child support and everything like that, the better will be for your situation.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, agreed.
So mediation is a process where all of the parties in a lawsuit, it can either be something that you choose to do on your own voluntarily, or it can be court ordered. So you essentially sit down with a neutral third party, also known as the mediator, and you just iron out the different issues that are involved in your case. Okay, so I will start over here. How old is the child? Just give me a little background.
Well, we have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old.
Okay.
They're
Boys or girls?
one boy, one girl.
Okay.
Tommy and Sam.
Okay.
I've been taking care of them since we separated, and it's been going pretty well with her giving the child support the amount that she is now.
Okay. How much have you been giving her?
She's been giving me.
Oh, how much have you been giving
yes,
him?
Yes,
$1,200 a month.
$1,200. Okay.
which has been helpful. Helps with soccer and dance and food, and I do get gifts and tell the kids that it is from their mother. Like, I'm not.
Soccer. And is soccer the only extracurricular?
Ballet. So Tommy, our daughter, I know it's not traditional. She does ballet. She's 5, and Sam does soccer. He's 3.
Okay. I got them mixed up there.
My ex-partner is very unique. Still care about her. She is the mom of my kids, so she'll always be there. I think she's great. She really does care about the kids, and I still have the tattoo of her, so of course things are somewhat amicable. But like any relationship, especially with kids, it gets difficult.
$1,200. What is it that you do?
I'm a flight attendant. I was. I recently got laid off.
Okay.
Which is why I'm looking for a reduction in child support.
Okay, flight attendant. All right.
But she did get remarried to, let's be honest, a pretty successful guy.
Okay.
Makes a decent living. He's not.
He definitely makes more than I do.
Okay. Well, just so we don't get off track or anything and, backslide, not be progressive.
Yeah.
Her husband's income has nothing to do with, what she would be paying in child support.
Sure.
So, and that's pretty much how it would go in court as well. Mm-hmm. The judge is not going to entertain how much her husband actually makes. The court would entertain, though, if he's giving you any type of additional monies, something like that.
I don't have an allowance.
Okay.
Not an allowance, but they live in a bigger house. They're still indirect.
Okay, but I'm a flight attendant. I'm never there.
You were a flight attendant.
So,
Rick. He's a sweet man. A little too sweet. I think he still loves me. It's really awkward. I remarried, so yeah, it's awkward. Rick is a kind soul. He cares about the kids. He's taking very good care of them. He's making sure that they get to, Tommy's in dance, Sam's in soccer. It's great. And I know he uses the money that I give him for those things.
That brings me to my next question. So now how much are you making? Do you receive any type of...
So I'm on unemployment.
Okay, that was my question.
Yes.
Unemployment. How much are you receiving?
I get $38,000 a month, which is like
A month or a year?
oh, sorry, a year.
I was about to say that's a lot.
I know, right? She's complaining.
I think about finances monthly. $38,000 a year.
Okay.
I was previously making $74,500.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's a significant.
Yeah, that is a pretty big, that is a pretty big drop. Who carries health insurance?
I do. It's $210 a month.
210, okay. And the unemployment is helping pay for that as well. Okay, so you do understand if you all were to go to court, the court would adjust her child support, right?
Okay.
Okay, so that is just go ahead.
I am willing to, I just wanted to put that into the perspective.
Okay.
Like, I want to help. I do want to help you. I'm not against that. I'm not trying to make it where it was.
Okay.
But I mean, I have my own finances I have to deal with, and so it's I just don't want to be taken advantage of, and I don't want to take advantage of her. Just
Okay.
want something fair for both of us,
Okay.
right? Like, that's...
Yeah, that's reasonable.
Well, let's do bottom line. Let's start with the bottom line with the numbers, okay?
Okay.
$38,000 a year. That brings your gross to about $3,166.67, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's gross. And then your net would come out to, just round it up, your net would come out to $2,707.08. And let me back up. That $3,166.67, we have to subtract what you pay in health insurance. So the court will give you a credit for that. So that will bring your gross down to $2,956.67, right?
Yep.
So then your net would come out to, let's round that up. Your net would come out to $2,546.38. With 2 children, do you have any other children?
No.
Okay. So no other children, we would do 25%. So $2,546 and $2,546.38 times 25%. That will bring your child support obligation to $636.60. Now that's bottom line.
Yeah. He's in tech support, so he makes decent money. You'd think he'd be able to pay for some of these things on his own.
If you want to help her out like you suggested, I mean, that's the purpose of mediation, because if you were in court, the court would deem her to pay that, right? So are you willing to come down off of that $636 and do a little bit less?
And it was like, that's per month, right?
Yes.
It was 12, so that's almost 50. I do make decent money in my career, but the child support is sometimes icing on the cake, if not the cake, sometimes itself. And children are expensive. I mean,
Honestly, a 50% reduction would do so much for me.
thank you. Okay.
I want
That's a
the-
lot. To
I
be
want
honest,
the
I was
kids
wondering
to
if
keep
we could-
doing their hobbies, you know? I mean,
Yeah.
soccer
No,
and
I
dance is really
get that.
important, so.
That's just, that's a lot, though. I didn't think a 50% reduction is good for you. So so if we went to court, that
would be the
almost
bottom.
automatically.
Yeah, that would be automatically. And if you cut it in half, it's $318.30.
Yeah.
Is that something you all would want to do?
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking maybe it was gonna be like $750 or $8 or something, but I mean,
I'm trying to find, another job. I'm happy to renegotiate when I get employed again, but
Okay.
while I'm on unemployment, I just need some help.
I'm fine with that.
Okay.
And then I guess I would be the one then applying for
Yeah, you would probably take me to court,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And that's something
civil.
you guys
I like
can do.
that. I'm
right?
cool with that. I'm totally cool with that, Lisa.
Okay.
Thank you.
What about extracurricular activities? Are you guys splitting or?
I mean, he's been putting most of the child support towards that because he does fairly well in tech support. He's able to, feed them, house them, clothe them.
Okay.
So I mostly cover the sports and dance supplies.
Okay. So the agreement I have between you all is that you're agreeing to cut that child support in half from $636.60
Just the bottom line, whatever that is.
$318.30, and you also agreed to maintain the children on health insurance.
Yes. You
Sounds
still pay
good.
that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sounds good. I'm glad you guys were able to work that out. So now what I'm going to do, I'll leave you all here. I have to go draft out the agreement. It's called a mediated settlement agreement. Just so you know, you guys can't revoke it or back out of it or anything like that. So once the judge signs it, it becomes an order. And if anything changes, you all can come back to mediation or go to court, however you want to do it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you have any questions?
Thank you.
No, that was great.
Okay,
Thanks.
great. I'll leave you all here.
Thank you. I mean, it's gonna help a lot.
Yeah. I mean, Tommy.
Losing
Sam
my
would be
job
cool.
sucks
No,
enough.
I know.
Oh. Sorry.
How is the husband?
He's good. You know, I mean, we're still adjusting to.
Tommy and Sam like him?
Yeah, they like him okay. I mean, he's not their dad.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah, damn straight.